Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pin a post on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the home screen, as you can see, we have the profiles that you're of course following. We have the search bar. We have, of course, the new post where you can put your new post, notifications, and your profile in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and pin a post on Mastodon. So first of all, go to the server's website or use the Mastodon web app as we are here and navigate to one of your own posts that you want to pin. So firstly, you need to go and create a post. So for instance, like this, publish it. And of course, you have your post then here sent, of course, to Mastodon. So here it is, as you can see. Then click the three dots to more options here, like so. And as you can see, here you can go and favorite it, bookmark it, or of course, boost it. You have edit, share, post, open browser, and copy link, all of those things. And you can then just go and do that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.